The Ameco Cadiz oil spill of 1978, stocked with nearly 69 million gallons of light crude oil, ran aground on shallow rocks off the coast of Brittany, France, damaging about 200 miles of French coast. The Castello Belvoir oil spill of 1983, or the most recent Norilsk diesel oil spill on 29 May 2020, flooding local rivers up to 21,000 cubic meters, has damaged our ecosystem beyond repair. I'm Sonia Khalkho, and I will be talking about oil spilling. Can we afford to lose our coastal ecosystems? Oil spills can affect the marine environment and are often portrayed by the media as environment disasters with dire consequences predicted for the survival of marine flora and fauna. The impact can be severe, causing serious distress to ecosystems and to the people living near the contaminated coastlines, affecting their livelihood and impairing their quality of life. Coastal ecosystems are important for numerous reasons. First of all, they are habitats that are spawning ground for many species. They are also home to many different kinds of plants and animals. And like any other ecosystem, when one aspect of it is damaged, it has an effect on everything else. Healthy coastal ecosystems are the livelihood of Pacific Island communities, providing food income and protection. Tourism to coastal areas is also economically important, with tourists visiting the wide sandy beaches, the coral reefs across the Pacific Islands, providing employment for these local people. Their livelihood depends on the safety and purity of these coastlines. But when such an oil spill happens, which takes years to clean up, what happens to those people? These local communities continue to suffer severely and even stoop down to poverty. When the coastal ecosystems are healthy and intact, only then they provide valuable services to the people of the Pacific Islands and to the globe. We simply cannot lose our coastal ecosystems when each one of us is dependent in one way or another. Just like we need lungs to breathe, these coastal ecosystems are lungs to the planet. Commercial activities should be undertaken at sustainable rates, as coastal areas are heavens of biodiversities. Fish, turtles, sea snakes, sharks, dolphins, mangroves are just some of the important biological components of coastal ecosystems and performs important role in how the ecosystem functions. Now the question we need to be asking is, why does these oil spills keep on happening, and how does the responsible party compensate to the people? Lousy rules and regulations are only partner in crime for such oil spills to keep on happening. We need regular checks and strict laws regarding these issues. We as a generation of today need to start the conversation. And by raising our voices, we are doing so. I would like to thank Asha Kansha Foundation for giving me such an incredible platform to express my views on this for such global issues. Thank you.